Hello and a very warm welcome from us all here at Perrys Mansfield. Beautiful ruby red ST Line X Focus. Absolutely stunning car throughout, no marks on any of the alloys. Parking sensors on both front and rear, and privacy glass all around the rear, filtering out any harmful rays and of course keeping the car cooler hot summer days. Inside, half leather interior, absolutely stunning again. It's a Perrys owned vehicle. Isofix in the back, automatic electronic handbrake system, 6-speed gearbox for fabulous fuel economy from this 1.5 Eco Blue engine. Dual zone climate control, heated front seats, heated windscreen and air conditioning. Touchscreen satellite navigation system, DAB radio, lane keeping aid, speed limiter and cruise control. On the right hand side you've got your Bluetooth telephony and voice command. Power to all 4 windows, fold away door mirrors, automatic lights, automatic rain sensing wipers, auto dimming rear view mirror. Stunning car. Come and be the first to see it. It'll be worth your travelling. We scrutinise the market on a twice daily basis to make sure you're getting a bargain. Not only that, it's been safety checked and prepared by our Ford trained technicians, and of course award-winning aftercare service. Thanks for watching, hope to see you soon. Bye bye for now.